Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. The Samsung Galaxy S21 series launched at the end of January 2021, giving us an insight into what we can expect from Samsung smartphone this year. One of the next major devices would traditionally have been the Galaxy Note 21, which in the past has improved on the Galaxy S range and bettered it in certain areas such as design and camera. But in 2021 things are different, with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 having taken the Note's launch slot, offering support for the S Pen. Like the Galaxy S21 Ultra, will the Galaxy Note continue at all? Here is everything we have heard so far about the next Galaxy Note, which is likely to be called the Galaxy Note 22 and Note 22 Ultra if the line carries on. Most of the rumors surrounding the Note 22 series were whether or not it would appear, rather than specifics on what it would feature, and that remains the case for now. We did expect any future Note device or devices to take some design details from other flagship Samsung devices, like the rumored S22 range for example, which is likely to launch first or maybe around the same time. We did also expect a waterproof metal frame sandwiched between glass panels and some interesting finishes too. An under-display fingerprint sensor is likely, and there should be a built-in S Pen, which would differentiate it from the Galaxy S21 Ultra and Galaxy Fold 3, with the Z Fold 3 offering an under-display front camera. It's possible any future Note device could also adopt this technology, and there will be no punch hole camera, with Samsung offering an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate display on all the Galaxy S21 models. It's likely any future Note models would have this too, along with support for HDR10+. There are no leaks on size as yet, but we'd expect similar to the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra if there are two models. The Note 20 has a flat display with a full HD Plus resolution, while the Note 20 Ultra has a curved display with a quad HD Plus resolution. We would not be surprised to see just one future Note model with a flat display to keep costs down, and therefore an option under the Galaxy S21 Ultra or Galaxy S22 Ultra with an S Pen or Z Fold 3 with S Pen. There have not been a specific rumors surrounding the future Note cameras as yet, other than the suggestion that there may be an under-display front camera. The next Samsung Galaxy Note will likely run processors succeeding the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2100 chipset, depending on the region and depending on the launch time. It's likely we did see at least 8GB of RAM or at least 12GB RAM in the next Note Ultra model. The Galaxy S21 series reached the microSD card support for storage expansion, so we would not be surprised to see the same apply to the future Note series. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.